Homer Simpson's fridge may just be a cartoon, but it's about the only thing from The Simpsons that is. In a marvel of modern branding, you can now shop at a real-life Quickie Mart for real-life squishies and real-life Lard Lad donuts. But for us Brits at least, there's one thing that's been strictly fictional. Until now. To mark the 500th episode of The Simpsons, Duff is finally available in the UK. Yes, if you're over 18 and you've got the doll, you can give Homer Simpson's favourite tipple a try. Just don't get Barney Gumbaled.